Have you ever wanted all the top-tier features of a premium flagship smartphone but without completely emptying your wallet? Well, Samsung just dropped exactly what you might be looking for, packing their best technology into a much more affordable package. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 FE. Right out of the gate, you are going to notice this phone looks incredibly familiar. It takes heavy design inspiration straight from the premium Samsung Galaxy S26 family. The biggest visual change this time around is on the back of the device. Instead of just having individual floating lenses, the vertical cameras are now neatly encased together in a sleek camera island. The frame is completely flat for a modern grip, and both the front and back are protected by tough Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, giving it a very clean and durable build. Flipping it over to the front, you are greeted by a massive beautiful 6.7-inch Full HD plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It features a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, meaning everything from scrolling through your feeds to playing high-speed games is going to feel incredibly fluid. Plus, if you're using it outside on a bright sunny day, you won't have to squint. This screen reaches a brilliant peak brightness of 1900 nits and boasts an immersive 89% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, this phone is an absolute powerhouse. It is fueled by the Exynos 2500 processor. This is a highly advanced Deca-core chip built on cutting-edge 3nm technology capable of hitting speeds up to 3.3 GHz. It is paired with 8 GB of super-fast RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, making multitasking a breeze. To keep all of this running all day long, there is a solid 4900 mAh battery. When it is time to plug in, it supports fast 45-watt wired charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging, which is perfect if you need to quickly top up your wireless earbuds on the go. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where the fan edition always shines. On the back you get a versatile triple camera setup. There is a sharp 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization for perfectly steady shots, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens for 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera to capture sweeping landscapes. For selfies and video calls, there is a crisp 12-megapixel front-facing camera. Samsung has also baked in some fantastic new software tools, including Horizon Lock to keep your videos perfectly level, and a fun new feature called My FanCam. On the software side, the Samsung Galaxy S26 FE runs on the brand new One UI 9, which is based on Android 17 right out of the box. You also get improved daily features like Now Brief and Now Nudge. But the absolute best part? Samsung is promising a massive 7 years of major Android updates and security patches. That means this phone is going to stay fresh, updated, and secure for a very long time. It also comes fully equipped with modern connectivity like Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and a fast and secure in-display optical fingerprint scanner. The Samsung Galaxy S26 FE officially hits the shelves on September 4, 2026, and you can grab it in 3 gorgeous colors: blueberry, graphite, and pistachio. While we are still waiting on official pricing for some regions like India, European pricing gives us a great idea of what to expect. It starts at €799 for the 128GB model and goes up to €1099 if you want to max it out with 512GB of storage. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to keep up with all the latest tech releases, please make sure to hit that like button, share this video with a friend who might need a phone upgrade, and subscribe to the channel for more.